So, this is my vlog. So as you can see, I reset my reset my PlayStation as it's not playing my new COD game. So fuck it, just reset the whole thing and see how it goes. I'm in the middle of removing my room around, so I'm gonna move those over there, and yeah, I'm moving my bed. So that's what I'm doing at the minute, and I'll let you know. Looks like fun stuff.
Took me to the barber and the dentist, and then to cap off the perfect day, the Los Angeles Bureau of Weights and Measures. I thought the measures were going to be the stars of the show. Turns out it was the weights.
I'm so glad you guys are friends again.
I'm glad you and I are friends again, too.
No.
I'm taking the table, the mat, the clothes thing, that shelf, stuff in a bag. That's coming with me tomorrow as I have to give that to my nephew. So we need to sort out that box, that bin, and then I've got 3 bags also downstairs. And yeah, I'll go into the charity shop. And then yeah, that's it. Really. Thanks for watching, guys. There's a video every week, 2 videos. My Tuesday and Thursdays. I'm sorry I missed this one. I've been super busy. More videos to come. Thanks for watching, guys.